Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 6 Chapter 8 Introduction to Algebra Exercise 8C question 7, right? It says, write down the numerical as well as literal coefficient of the following monomials, right? Now you have to be careful in writing down the coefficients, right? It is not simple that we can leave whatever for the coefficient is asked and write down everything else. That will not work here because they have classified coefficients into two types, numerical and literal coefficients, right? What is a numerical coefficient? So basically in the monomial, whatever numbers are there, they form the numerical coefficient. Whatever alphabets or rather variables are there, they form the literal coefficients because the variables are also called literals, that is why literal coefficient. And of course, the numbers means the numerical coefficients, right? We must also mention the signs of the numbers, right? Suppose you can see minus sign is here. This will come with the number, not with the literal, okay? Minus sign will come with the numerical coefficient, right? And if it is plus, just, okay, it's fine. You can skip. Don't need to write any sign. It is understood. Fine. So what I'll do, I'll divide this thing into two parts. On one side, we will have the numerical coefficient, right, and on the other side of the page we will be having the literal coefficient, okay. And now you can see in the first part I have what, minus 12 x square y, right? Minus 12 x square y is made up of numbers also and literals also, or variables rather. So you can see here minus 12, this will be in the numerical coefficient part. Write that down because whatever numbers you see, they are numerical coefficients along with their sign. And whatever now is left, the variables, right, x square y, this will be literal coefficient x square y, right? So this is how we will be writing the coefficients. See the second part now. In the second part, we have 8 upon 15 a square bc. 8 upon 15 is a number, yes or no? It's a fraction, it's representing a numerical value, a fixed value, right? So what will this be? 8 upon 15 will be a numerical coefficient, right? You can also say all the numerical coefficients are constants, right? The constants are in the numerical coefficients, the variables go in the literal coefficients. This way also you can just say it, fine. 8 upon 15, and then the variables will come here, so a square bc is left, that will be the literal coefficient, right? Alright, now you see we have minus 7 upon 9 ABC in the third part. So just write down the fraction, it is a constant, it is a number, it will go in the numerical coefficient, and ABC will be the literal coefficient. Pretty simple. Then in the fourth part, what have you got? You have got minus 2PQ. Minus 2 is the numerical coefficient because it is a constant, it is a number, it has a fixed value. PQ, that is variable, this is a literal, it will go in the literal coefficients. Minus 2 here, PQ here. You will also see that we are putting the minus sign accordingly. We are not missing the minus sign. This is very important. If you miss the minus sign, your answer will become wrong. And here the plus sign is already there, so it's understood. You can skip the plus sign, don't need to write it. Now let us move on to the next part. Now see the fifth part, right? We have minus 3xy upon 7z, right? So I have this term minus 3xy upon 7z. In this minus 3xy, this is a constant part, it's a fixed part, so I will have what, minus 3 upon 7. This is the constant, right? It will be the numerical coefficient. Whatever is left, xy by z, this is literal coefficient, these are variables, so xy upon z. Clear? Then the sixth part, you have minus 6x square y square z square. Minus 6 is the numerical part, so minus 6 becomes numerical coefficient. X square y square z square, all are literals, so they become literal coefficient. Is that clear? And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.